Yeah, friends. So, till now, till here, I have recorded in first video. This is a second video of Ansible. Okay. So now I will show you like how we will connect uh, other nodes in master, right? So for that, see. Okay. So I have connected. I have run one command for node 1. So this was the command. This was the command for connecting the node 1. This is the private address of IP node 1, right? If you want to verify, I will show you. So the IP address and is 244, right? So node 1 244, right? Now similar way I have to connect node 2 as well. So I need to copy the IP private IP of node 2. Let me copy the IP address private IP of node 2 and paste it here. So this is the command to connect nodes, right? Let me run this. Okay, so it is asking, are you sure you want to continue connecting? I will say yes, definitely. And password. So while creating the user, do you remember we have created user DevOps, right? So at that time of creating user, so we have also entered the password as DevOps only. So let me enter the password DevOps here as well. Okay, so enter. So yeah, now it is saying, yeah, number of key added 1. Okay, so we have connected all the nodes. I mean, two of the nodes we have connected, and now we have now stabilized the trust relationship of the master with the nodes, right? Let's now step number 8. Let's now check if we are able to see the create files in the nodes by Ansible. Okay, so for that, Ansible Ansible all hyphen a touch file touch file 1. Okay, now Ansible all hyphen a ls. Okay, so you will see in node, this is the IP address of private address of node 1, right? So it is showing file 1 and file, and if you want to verify the file, let me go to the node 1. Okay, so we'll say here ls hyphen la. Okay, what was the directory for this? Yeah, so like we have made the connection, right? Now we have created the file, right? We have created one file in node 1 and another file in node 2, right? So if you want to verify whether it is created or not, so how we do that? So for that we have a one command. Okay, I'll show you. So for example, this is a node 2, right? And how will you verify? For that you have to log in that user ssh devops, right, at the rate, and what is the private IP of this? We'll copy and paste it here, right? So it is asking permission. Okay, yes. It is asking password. So what was the password for DevOps which we, when we had created, we have entered DevOps only, right? DevOps. So we have login, right? Yeah, we have login it, and now if we do ls, you will see here file 1, right? Node. Similar way we can also check in node 1. Actually I already checked, and I will first exit. Okay, so similarly node 1 as well, node 1 also. So ssh devops @ what is the private IP of this one. Let me paste it. Okay, now it is also asking passwords. Let me get the DevOps password. Okay, now we are login. Now ls see file1, right? Okay, so yeah, right, connection we have made, right? We have done the connection part. Okay, so for creating the playbook, Ansible playbook, we'll see in the next video. Till the time, please go through it, and if you have any doubt, just keep it on the comment box. I'll let you know. Okay, I'll reply it. Yeah, thanks everyone.